Hi there, welcome to the Learn Japanese with Yas. In this lesson, we are talking about the Japanese pronunciation. We are going to focus on the two major factors of it: the place of articulation and the duration. Let's talk about the place of articulation first. There are actually several different sounds in Japanese, although they are written with the same character. We can classify them into three big groups. First, second, or third. Which one you should use depends on the letter following it. First, this sound is made by the both lips. When you have the B or P consonant after it, you would use sound by placing the lips together, then release. Shinbun, sanpo. Second, or these sounds are made by the tongue. When you have the T, D, or L consonant after it, you would use sound, pressing the tip of your tongue against right behind the top teeth. 簡単、運動、混乱. When you have the K or G consonant after it, you would put the back of your tongue onto the roof of your mouth. 金額、健康. You don't have to memorize all of this information, because all you have to do to make the sound is the same as the way that you pronounce the letter following When you are making the sound, your mouth already prepares for the consonant of the letter follows When you have the ba, for instance, after your lips come together for the B and make the then ba, like ba, konba, konbanwa. When you have the ta sound after your tongue holds the airflow for the T that makes the then ta, ta, senta, sentaku. Now, third, this might be a little tricky sound. Linguistically, this is called the nasal vowel. After the when you have a vowel, semi-vowel such as the W or Y, or some fricative sounds such as the S, you would use Your tongue doesn't touch anywhere in your mouth. You don't stop the air flow in your mouth. Air escapes through the nose and the mouth simultaneously. Then the sound will be connected with the vowel following it. If the vowel is the O, it may sound like W. を、本を、本を買う. If the vowel is the E, it may sound like Y. え、千円、千円、千円、千円ください. Let's take a look at other examples. 恋愛、健一、こんばんは. You can see the two in こんばんは. The first one is sound because ba follows it, while the second one is sound because wa follows it. こんばんは. If you try to make this sound by pushing the tongue against the roof of the mouth, then connecting it with the vowel, it may sound the N consonant, like 本を買う instead 本を買う. Now, let's talk about the duration. In Japanese, the length in time of each molar is the same. So the n has the same duration as other molars. When a non-native speaker pronounces konnichiwa, it sometimes becomes konnichiwa. It's perfectly okay. But sometimes skipping n sound could confuse a listener, because in Japanese, the duration of the letter is very important. Skipping or shortening n could change the meaning of a word. Alright, I hope you find this helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.